Realtor Property Resource, or RPR, is one member benefit that you can use in various parts of your transaction, from finding a client to helping you sign the contract. Let me show you several of the valuable features that RPR has to offer. Did you know you can produce up to 4,000 mailing labels each month using RPR? Go onto narrpr.com, or within Paragon, click on Resources and choose RPR Realtor Benefit Only from the drop-down menu. Conduct your search, and on the upper right-hand corner, you will see mailing labels. You have the option to save your file as an Excel spreadsheet or as a PDF, easy for label printing. Here, you can see how many records are being exported. And on the first of every month, the system will give you another 4,000 mailing labels to work with. This feature is perfect if you're trying to send out postcards and flyers to improve your name recognition. On top of that, RPR is one of your member benefits and is included at no additional cost. Also, if you have a client who has children, they will be looking for a property in a great school district. RPR understands that where a child attends school is important to all parents, so they partnered with Niche to provide the most complete, accurate, and transparent school search tool on the internet. Now, you can look at school ratings, make comparisons between schools, and search for properties within a school boundary. While you're at it, you can also generate a school report to impress your client. Okay, so let's say that same client found a property that they love from that school boundary search, and they're ready to put in an offer. To save you time and effort, you can go directly to that property on RPR, click on Zip Form Integration, and all the information on RPR will automatically transfer to your transaction. Make sure you register for Realtor Property Resource if you haven't already. You don't need to have MLS with Bay East to get this awesome benefit. It's included into your NAR membership. Sign up today at narrpr.com. Thank you.